Nice to see you again. So yeah, Renishaw Apply Innovation. Renishaw had its focus since 1973 on the manufacturing process in its own factories and of course in the factories of our customers. Every decade, Renishaw launched innovations and inventions with revolutionary impact on the industry, especially around metal cutting. We launched Equator many years ago, and we installed thousands of Equators all over the places to improve factories in closed-loop applications. Equator is, it's a part inspection equipment for the shop floor with high performance and very flexible and easy to use. Now at EMO, you see Equator X. Equator X is the second generation. You'll see it with new software, with a new generation of motors. You see it with the new software, new generation of central. Equator X is faster than anything you see in part inspection. Equator X is more stable and accurate. Equator X is better integrated in the manufacturing process. It's much easier to use, and therefore it enables stable, it enables automized processes, and it enables the use of AI. Come over, have a look at it. We're looking forward to explain you this new system, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rainer.